Hello viewer. Welcome to HKR Trainings. Are you willing to advance your career with Cyberark? HKR Trainings offers the top-notch Cyberark training to the learner by industry experts. Now, let's see why Cyberark is used. Every business organization dealing with large datasets needs a great security system to protect the crucial business data. Among this, privileged accounts are more prone to cyber attacks, which needs a strong cybersecurity. Many cyber attackers mostly target privileged accounts. However, many companies don't have a ready-to-use plan to protect the privileged accounts, user credentials, files, etc. Here comes the need for Cyberark. Cyberark is a high-level security tool that helps in managing and securing privileged accounts and user data from cyber threats. First, let us understand about privileged accounts. A privileged account is an account that has access to crucial information such as credit card numbers, bank account details, social security numbers, admin account details, etc. Moreover, privileged accounts are offered to certain top roles in the organization. These include security teams, helpdesk experts, IT admins, owners of apps, database administrators, services accounts, and many more. In other words, these are valid credentials useful to access the systems and devices within the business. What is Cyberark? Cyberark is a popular security tool for securing privileged accounts by managing passwords. It helps in managing privileged accounts through automated password management within the organization. Moreover, Cyberark is a perfect security tool to protect, store, and maintain privileged accounts so that companies can secure them from malware and hacking threats effectively. Today, many industries worldwide are effectively using Cyberark for their organizations. Some of the industries in which Cyberark tool is used include software industry, information technology services, banking and financial services, insurance, healthcare and retail industry, human resources, life sciences, and more. Now, let us see the various career opportunities available in Cyberark. Career opportunities in Cyberark. Cyberark, as a security solution, has a great demand, offering multiple career opportunities to skilled Cyberark professionals. A skilled Cyberark engineer earns between 4 lakhs to 15 lakhs per annum with an average annual salary of 6.5 lakhs per annum. In the USA, the minimum salary range for entry-level positions can start at around $60,000 to $80,000 per year. Now, let's go through the topics covered in Cyberark training. Following are the modules that will be covered in this Cyberark training. Introduction to Privileged Identity Management. Overview of Cyberark. Cyberark Solution Components. Overview of Cyberark Functioning. Installation of Cyberark Infrastructure. Overview of Cyberark Policy Configuration. Creation of Cyberark Policy. Safe Management by Cyberark. Cyberark Account Integration. Cyberark Use Cases. Cyberark Vault Backup Activity. Cyberark Troubleshooting. Overview of Cyberark Drive. Companies using Cyberark. Numerous companies across various industries use Cyberark to secure their privileged accounts and protect against cyber threats. Some well-known organizations that use Cyberark solutions include Coca-Cola, Barclays, AstraZeneca, Aptus, DZ Bank, Digi Center. Specific usage of Cyberark can vary among organizations, and this list is not exhaustive. Why learn Cyberark from HKR Trainings? HKR Trainings is a leading provider of Cyberark training. We provide live instructor-led training, with hands-on practical sessions, offering flexible modes of training. We also provide class recordings, with lifetime access, which you can use to revise the concepts. We also provide real-time industry projects, that give you work experience, using the Cyberark concepts. If you want to build a bright career with Cyberark, visit www.hkrtrainings.com and advance your career.